Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a single persistent URL using your personal meeting ID. This is the link everyone will reuse. Sign into Zoom, open profile, then edit your PMI settings, set a strong passcode, and enable participant authentication so strangers cannot join. Once done, choose either waiting room or auto join disabled to control entry. Make sure your PMI does not change by keeping the generate automatically option off. This step saves you time later and secures every meeting automatically. Now schedule a recurring meeting that uses your PMI link so every event points to the same URL. In the meeting options, paste the PMI into the invite, set it to recur no fixed time if needed, and configure host permissions, screen share, mute on entry, and alternative hosts. If external guests cannot authenticate, temporarily allow participation without sign-in but keep a passcode and waiting room. Once configured, save and update calendar, invites, so attendees always receive the identical working link. Finish by testing the persistent link from another device and network to confirm passcode and waiting room behavior. This reveals issues before guests arrive. Then update all calendar entries, copy the single PMI URL into meeting notes, and include short access steps so attendees know whether to sign in or enter a passcode. If something goes wrong, check for scheduled meeting overrides, account-level PMI policies, or duplicate recurring meetings. One key tip: if attendees report the link expired, verify you didn't create a new PMI or overwrite settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.